Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this is what everything is looking like after I drain the oil. So the herbs that we have left with are the rosemary, fenugreek seeds, whole cloves, hibiscus herbs, and I added some peppermint oil in there, and it actually smells really good. Like, I've been smelling it and smelling it because some hair oils, you don't want to walk around smelling like curry goat, curry chicken, whatever. So if you want to see how I made this, then refer to my last video, Vlogmas Day 21. And that's a 20-minute long video of where I showed you how I made the oil, every step that I did, all the ingredients, the exact measurements. You can watch me do everything on my last video, and I explain everything very well. 20 minutes long. And so now I'm about to drain, well, no, not drain the oil, because this is a wig cap. And the reason that I use a wig cap is because I don't have a cheesecloth, and a wig cap has way smaller holes so that none of these herbs gets in the actual oil. And so now I'm about to take the wig cap off so you can see what the oil is looking like. And I'm gonna put the remaining herbs in this jar. So I'm gonna see if I can get majority of these herbs by just like kind of like scraping it in here. Or because the hibiscus herbs are the smallest herbs that I used. So trying to see how I can get majority of these herbs. And now I'm gonna take this off. Ooh. And I'm going to turn it. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm gonna turn it upside down in there and just like do that. And just get as much out as I can. What is this dog behind me doing? Okay. Now I gotta go. Where am I gonna put this? I'm gonna put it here for now because I gotta clean out all of that anyways. So I'm gonna wash my hands and I'll be back. So I'm just gonna close this. Actually, I need a paper towel or something because I don't want oil everywhere that it's not supposed to be. But I did a pretty good job of making this oil. And I'm just gonna put it to the side. So these is what the herbs are looking like in the jar. I got this jar from TJ Maxx. So this is what we are working with. This is what we are working with. This is the oil that we have left. And I have this measuring cup. And so I'm just gonna pour that in there. And I like how I'm pouring the oil and like the little bitty of herbs that kind of were from the hibiscus is left in there. So this is what we're working with. And I double boiled it for like, how long did I double boil it for? Maybe 20 to 30 minutes, I think. And so these came with little strainers. And so now I'm gonna like slowly pour it in there. Amazing. So this is what the first bottle is looking like. That's what the first bottle is looking like. And then I'm gonna do the second bottle. And I have way more oil than I thought I was gonna have, so that's actually really good. Ooh. But I have 2 more bottles, because I'm pretty sure this stuff is gonna go fast, because you know that oil from Miel, the rosemary and mint oil, like I be going through that like so fast. And it actually really did help with my dandruff. So I'm like, if I make my own oil, and I can make way more of this oil by myself and add cloves and add other hair stimulating herbs and hair growth herbs and stuff that helps with dandruff and follicle stimulation, then why not? Why wouldn't I make my own oil at home? And at the bottom of these is a little bit of fenugreek seeds and some rosemary. If you want all the full details of this, please go back to my last video, Vlogmas day 21, and that video is 20 minutes long, and it has all of the detail that you would ever need. I don't know why this is straining so slow. I think I'm gonna stop it like right here, because we still have to put this inside of these. So now I'm gonna transfer it to that. Ooh, I think it's filled too high. Yeah, it's filled too high. Uh-oh. Hold on, we gotta pour some out just a little bit. No, I don't want the rosemary coming out with it. So now let me see if that's good enough. Okay, that's perfect. I'm gonna just put my fingertip over it so the rosemary doesn't get out. But at least now I know where to stop it, because duh, these have to go in it. Then I'm just gonna close it up. Just seal it up. Wait, let me make sure I'm doing it right. And I'm gonna push these over there to the back, since those are done getting filled. Next, we gotta do these. And I have some extra bottles. Lord, why is it getting like stuck? I think it has like air bubbles or something in it. It's kind of annoying me. Cause I'm like, what if I just pour it in regular? Let me see. Okay, it had like some oil air pockets or something. So maybe that'll be better now. Nope. I'm like, why isn't it not doing how it was in the beginning? Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I could just directly pour this into there, because that strainer is giving me a time that's better. And didn't I just tell myself that was too much? I'm supposed to stop like right there. Put that to the side. Dang, I'm gonna have a lot of this left over. And I got oil all over the place, but that's okay. Ooh, wait. Stop it right there. Close this. And boom. let's see. That was rosemary, straight rosemary. I got some leftover that I could just pour in this bottle right here. Okay, so that's donezo. Now I gotta just clean up the oil. So I finished everything. Now I'm just wiping away all of the oil, all of the remnants of the oil. And now this is, woo! This is what we're working with. That's how the oil came out. That's how all of the oil came out. Homemade oil. And I'm gonna put it back where it should go. And yeah, I'm putting them back in these storage boxes because I'm gonna move them somewhere else. I don't know how they fit these bottles in there originally, but somehow they did, and I don't even know how. Maybe that's not safe, but yeah, I don't know how they fit. Well, no, it's only what, 4 bottles? No, 6. How did they even fit the bottles in here? I don't even know. But yeah, so that's that. And I mean, I could give you a closer look. So that's how everything is looking, and those are the remaining herbs behind it. And again, if you want to see the video to the fullness of how I created everything, then refer back to my last video. And thank you guys for watching, and stay prayed up, stay blessed. Don't be too hard on yourself, and have a blessed day, have a blessed night whenever you're watching this, and stay positive. God bless you.